everything will be off where it mounts up.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Honda Odyssey here. This one got hit in this right front corner, and it's going to get this new lower apron section piece. But first I'm going to make a pull on this and roughly pull this out where it's supposed to be, and then I'll go ahead and I'll start cutting this piece off. Alright, I got everything all fit up on this one. I wanted to make sure the fender and the headlight mounted up correctly to this brace here, because if it's not exactly where it's supposed to be, everything will be off where it mounts up. But it looks like it's mounted up really good, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it back apart and get that piece welded in.